Welcome to the final video of this series of 8 videos discussing the most common career mistakes by artists and how to fix them, offering crucial career advice on how to succeed as an artist. If you haven't seen our previous videos of this series yet, stay tuned until the end of the video and click through to learn and discover more. The art world consists of numerous unwritten rules that can make or break your career. With this series, it is our mission to empower you as an artist and share the things you actually need to know, but nobody is telling you. In the series, we have already discussed how you need to improve your work as an artist in order to stand out, how you can develop your vision to have more consistency, how to become an expert as an artist when it comes to art history and contemporary art, how to price your artworks correctly, how to have a professional artist website, what galleries you must avoid, and how to approach the galleries in a more successful manner. We conclude this series with our 8th and final video, how to find art opportunities. A major career mistake numerous artists make, holding them back from growing their careers, is not finding the right art opportunities. As an artist, you must always think in the long term and be in search for opportunities in the art world to grow your career and improve your artist's resume. Thinking in the short term, on the other hand, in which you pursue lucrative purposes, is destined to fail. Sales on the short term do not equal success. The continuity of sales, by creating a genuine demand for your work, is what will make you successful as an artist and enable you to earn a living as an artist. The only way to create this demand for you and your work is by growing your career, working on your artist resume and profile, and the most important way to do this is with art opportunities. Before we expand on what these art opportunities are and where you can find them, let's explain you why this is so important. Our experience in the art world has shown that people who pursue artistic purposes will be successful and have lucrative careers. This applies both to artists and to art galleries. Whereas people who are focusing on making money in the short term, pursuing profit instead of artistic quality, are destined to fail. Successful art is not a product to decorate an interior. It is a collectible object with an art historic value connected to the importance and the relevance of the artist in question's career. But how to grow your artist career as a beginning artist? Cold calling art galleries or walking in and introducing yourself is not accepted in the art world, as we have discussed in our previous video. What is accepted, however, is actively looking for art opportunities to grow your artist resume. Think of open calls for exhibitions, artist residencies, art contests, grants, scholarships, and more. Finding opportunities in the art world is one of the hardest and most crucial things for a beginning artist. And the perfect place to find an overview of these art opportunities suited to your personal preferences is artenda.net. Artenda makes art opportunities easy. It is a database with a selection of only the very best art opportunities in the world. You can use various tools on Artenda by setting up your preferences when it comes to your practice, location, and the desired type of art opportunity to discover an overview of all the best opportunities, their info and deadlines. For instance, I am an artist and I am based in Belgium and I'm looking for an opportunity to exhibit. As a result, I go to exhibition open calls, I select painting, and I select Europe. And straight away I found an entire list with exhibition opportunities, many of which that have no fee to enter. Competitions, grants, residencies, and open calls for exhibitions are absolutely crucial for artists to get attention for their work or to receive the financial support they need to develop their work. Artenda was founded in 2019, and before, finding art opportunities was incredibly confusing and time-consuming. Therefore, I am convinced all artists should have a subscription on Artenda to keep track of opportunities that may change their careers throughout the year. The subscription comes at a very competitive price when it comes to value for money, at just €3.50 per month. And the first month you get it for free and you can simply try things out. So if you don't know how to get involved in the art world and to kickstart your career, I would strongly advise you to go and have a look at our tender after watching this video, get a subscription and get started. Let's make things happen. So I have linked our tender in the description below. Successful artist careers simply don't happen overnight. They take time and grow organically. You will notice how one exhibition, artist residency or art contest will guide you to the next opportunity. And before you have fully realized it, you'll have a strong artist's resume and be part of the art world, participating in the debate of contemporary art as an insider. That's why these art opportunities are so important. They open doors for you to enter the art world. Please note that these art opportunities are also very well curated. So make sure that your work is ready and that you as an artist are ready. Make sure to pay attention to all the things we've mentioned during this video series. You can find a written overview of the things we've discussed during this video series on our website, or you could also read the more extensive version or article on how to succeed as an artist. If you don't feel confident about your work yet, your profile and your online presence, feel free to have a look at our service for artists, in which I give you one-on-one personalized advice in the form of a full written advisory report and a 1-hour video call to discuss your art and career. You can find all the information on contemporaryartissue.com at Services for Artists. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As always, I'm very much looking forward to answering your questions in the comments. Make sure to check out artenda.net, support us on Patreon, and feel free to consider subscribing to stay posted on more contemporary art. Bye.